Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have a haul to share. Now, some of this stuff I actually had opened last week. I did a whole video about it, and then come to find out that I forgot that it was in the wrong orientation. So you would have been looking at it sideways. So I was like, well, I'll just have to do it over. So anyway, so let's see. This week I got some goodies from Studio Calico. So they came in. These are some new stamps. I thought that was super cute, so I picked that up. I want to say this is one of those $10 stamps. And then I picked this up. I could not resist this. So you can you had a little outline, the outline of the turkey, and then you got the fill-in part. I love this. I thought this was really, really cute. So I picked that one up. And then I think this is my monthly stamp. My monthly subscription. So that's cute. And then, oh, this goes with that. And then I have my monthly subscription. I'm just gonna Traveler's Notebook subscription, which I plan on canceling. I had been planning on canceling it, but I never did. But I'm gonna cancel it at the beginning of the year. It's not that I don't like it. It's just, I just need to cancel some stuff. So anyway, this is the washi tape that goes with it. This is the stamp set. It's cute. And this is interesting. Let's see. What are these? Are these letters? Yeah, I think so. Numbers. These are cute. These are very, very interesting. All right. So, oh, that was an ampersand. I thought that was a P. So that's what that is. I mean, you really have to look at that. Let's see what that is. All right. All right. And then we got some stickers. That's interesting too. I like that. And we got some stickers. Some alphas. And let's see if we can breeze through this one. I'm just going to quickly flip through this. I like to look at them because they give you prompts, which I like a lot. And then, if you can't use it, you can always cover it up. I like this one. Ain't that the truth? Okay. Like that. Ooh, like that. All right. So I think that was a good one. Okay. And then some more. Let's see. I think these are these Kelly Perky. Yeah. These are the Kelly Perky stamps. I can't wait to use that one. I really like that one. I got that. Then I picked up this one. Very, very cute. I love her stamps. All right. And then, let's see. This is Studio Calico stamp. These are the stamps I got last week. And then I got this one. What prompted this little spree was that they sent me an email saying that their sold out stamps were back in. So pick that up. You can make that like lemon or orange, like that a lot. All right. And then, so I'm jumping all around, but I went to Target and I picked this up. I thought this was super cute. And then the letters come back there. And I'll probably write my own letters. That is so cute. I just couldn't resist that. And it was only $3. Okay. And while I was at Target, I went, my son needed some new headphones because he lost his. So anyway, and they have to have it for school because they take laptops to school now. So while I was there, they have a lot of their brand of accessories for they're marked down. And so this was like, it was supposed to have been $29 and they had it marked down to $19. So I picked this up. It's nice. You can maneuver it all around. It'll go like all around, and I thought I would share that. And then it comes with a remote. All right, and then let's see, was it Allia or Studio Calico? One of them had a 40% off of everything. And so I went ahead and stocked up on like some albums. I think it was Studio Calico. So and I bought some inserts. A lot of the more popular inserts were out of stock, but I did get some. Pick that up. And I picked this up. This is 9 by 12. So I picked up a 9 by 12 album. Oh, now this one right here is a 6 by 12. And it came with the page protectors, but you only get like 10 of them. And so this is a 9 by 12. Comes with a few. And then I have a 3 by 8 one. And it doesn't come with any, but isn't that cute on the inside? All right. I think I will probably release the original so you can see how they originally came. But I opened everything because I was doing a video. And like I said, I didn't realize that it was all sideways. So Michael's had this, and I thought that this would be interesting. They have it with just some embellishments and stuff in it, but I thought that it would be good. So it comes like this. You can put embellishments in here. It's stadium style, or you can put your stamps in there. And so that's what I thought that I would probably do. And then you can put embellishments on this side. So that's probably what I'll do. And let's see. I'm jumping back to Target. I picked this up. I thought that this would be really neat to put like embellishments and stuff in and get you in the Christmas mood. I thought this was cute, and it was only let's say it was $5. All right, and then I bought these on Halloween Day, and so they were 60% off. the Michaels that's closest to me were completely out of like Halloween stuff like weeks before Halloween, but the one that's a little further out from me, they did have some Halloween stuff left. And it was 60% off, so I picked these things up. And they only had a few left. So I picked these little stickers up. I got 2 of these embellishment packs. And I got this one little paper pad. That's cute. You can cut those out. I like that. All right. And then, so this is my Ellie Edwards kit. It did not come in a zippered bag this time. It came in a paper envelope. She sent an email out saying that this is what she's going to start doing. I'm definitely going to cancel this the first of the year. I was really disappointed with this one. I mean, like, I was actually angry. Like, what is this? But anyway, this is my kit. And now these stickers are cute. And then this came with, there was, these little rainbow, I guess these are stickers. These little rainbow looking stickers. All right. Let's just put that there. And then, so I was at Walmart. The Walmart that's closest to me, they only have very, very few things. But I went to a different Walmart that's further out. And they have a better crafting aisle. So anyway, I picked this up. I thought this was neat because it's different sizes. And so this was $6.70 something. And then I've had these before and I like these, so I went ahead and picked that up. But this one, I hadn't seen this one. So I liked what was on here. So I picked this up. And this was $2.47 or $2.48, something like that. All right, and then I have a Peachy Cheap deal. I thought that this one was really cute. And I think it reminds me of crepe paper. So, pick this up. And then, here are the papers that go with it. To me, that just looks like crepe paper to me. But I think it's super cute. I'm trying to go fast. All right. And then it came with the stencil. And this is really why I even got it. I mean, I like the other stuff, but I really like this. Thought that this was pretty. I like these colors. It's bold. I mean, I like it. I picked that up. All right. And then the last thing is I have like huge Kelly Perky. Well, Paper Person. It's the name of the thing now. So, let's see. When I originally opened this was like in kits. But, so anyway, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. You could get this kit either in the black and white or you could get it in the color. And then they had one where you could get both. Now you don't get 2 stamp sets, but you could get the papers and stuff. You get the color one, but then you get the black and white papers and stickers. So I opted to get that. It was $70, but I really like this, so I went ahead and splurged on that. So got that. That came in it. And then these note cards. And then these journaling bits. And you got stickers on the back. These alphas. I don't know if you can see that these are stickers. And then these. And then I really like these journaling cards. So let's try to go over these. I'm very happy that I got 2 sets of these. So that's the one that comes in color. And then you get the same thing. If you get that double kit, you get the same thing in black and white. Really like this. It's really great for documenting. It's a lot of documenting, but you know, you don't have to use it all. I think it is very well thought out. I really like it. Even about baking Christmas cookies. And so here's the black and white version. That was the color version. This is the black and white version. And I'm glad I got the double kit because I really couldn't decide between the black and white and the color. And there's a lot in here. This is nice, thick cardstock. And then the black is really, really bold. So black, white, and red, really. So sorry about how long this video is, but I wanted to go ahead and share all of it. All right. Oh, let's go through the big papers, the cut aparts. Very nice. And then I think this is my monthly kit. I like these colors. I like that they come from different collections. I like that. I do that all the time. You see, like, this one is Amy Tangerine, but it goes with the rest of it. Paige Evans. And here is the stamp set that goes with it. I'm happy with this stamp set. All right, and that is all I had to share today, guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.